In this Revizto training session, we're going to be focused on the Object Visibility tool. The Object Visibility tool could be found in the 3D environment, and it's the fourth tool from the right of the application on the toolbar. Whenever we get into Object Visibility, this is where we can control the visibility of different objects inside of the project. If I turn everything off, I don't see any of the models. However, if I go and turn the mechanical link on, I can see the mechanical models. I can control all the links visibility from the top category here. If I want to control transparency, I can also do that from our Object Visibility tab. If I wish to make architecture transparent, I can choose the cube here to represent transparency. And as you can see, all of our architectural elements have now become transparent. Through our filtering tool here, this is where we can control links or even object categories. So if I would like to come in here and I would like to see all of the flex ducts a certain color, this is where I can control the color of those flex ducts as well, turning them to green, and we can see all of the flex ducts in the project have now turned to that green color. If I make any object visibility change inside the project, keep in mind that these view states and camera positions can be saved with our viewpoint tool found right here.